All right, here we are, day number 4. We have the engine in. This is the new one. And we fell right into place without a hitch.
Fell in better than the front axle.
And the front axle had to be put back also. Somewhere up there, I don't even see it. And front end is jacked up a little bit. Give it that angle. The power steering pump is in, and all this rest of the stuff will start coming back in. All the parts are here, and we have 2 future mechanics in training. Here's the oldest guy with his badass tattoo. And here's the younger guy. They know how to turn a wrench. And here's the master trainer right here, all
Better turn that around.
all gooped up. All right, it's looking good. All we need is get some hoses and belts.
Need belt, hoses, and fluids.
Fluids, yep. All that.
Oil. Got the antifreeze, you said too, huh?
Yeah, I got the antifreeze, I got the oil. And underneath, that's how it looks, but it's all coming together.